Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang Rain or Shine Elasto Painters kontra sa Terra Firma Jeep 124-112. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Adrian Nocom sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa Terra Firma Jeep, top performer si Mark Louis Sangalang sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 blocks. Nagtala naman si Dion Thompson ng 23 points, 17 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Jonard Clarito 7 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Felix Lemete 6 points, 4 assists at 2 steals. Chongson 6 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Francis Escandor 5 points. Nag-ambag naman si Adrian Nocom ng 21 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Andre Caracot 15 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Leonard Santillan 11 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists. Anton Asistio 10 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Michael Malonzo 8 points, 2 rebounds at 1 block. Nag-ambag din si Kate Dato ng 7 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Gabe Norwood 2 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Sean Ildefonso 2 points. Bo Belga 1.1 rebound, 2 assists. Nick Demuses 1 rebound. Para naman sa natalong koponan na Terra Firma Jeep, Brandon Edwards 26 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Paulo Hernandez 9 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Aljon Milesio 7 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists. Conrad Katapusan 7 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 blocks. Mark Louis Sangalang 21 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Brent Paraiso ng 16 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Vic Manuel 12 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal. Mark Nonoy 7 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Stanley Pringle 3 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Tommy Olivario 2 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Aldrich Ramos 2 points, 1 rebound. Kevin Ferrer 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Eastern Hong Kong sa isang overtime ang San Miguel Bearmen 99-91. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Glenn Yang sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Para naman sa San Miguel Bearmen, top performer si John Mar Fajardo sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 18 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si McLaughlin ng 18 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 5 steals at 1 block. Hayden Blankley 15 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Showing Chan 10 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists, 1 steal. Ramon Chow 5 points, 2 rebounds, 1 steal. Glenn Yang 26 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Nag-ambag din si Kobe Lam ng 13 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Yong Pok 6 points, 4 rebounds, 3 steals at 1 block. Steven Ginchard 3 points, 1 assist. Hao Zhou 2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 steal. Yen Long Chong 1.3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Adam Shaw 1 assist. Para naman sa natalong San Miguel Bearmen, Jabari Narcis 28 points, 10 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Sergio Perez 18.6 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Marcio Lassiter 13 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists. Chris Ross 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. John Mar Fajardo 23 points, 18 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Chris Rosales ng 3 points, 1 assist. Don Troliano 2 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Muala Tautua 2 points, 2 rebounds, 1 block. Jericho Cruz 2 points, 1 rebound. Juan Miguel Chongson 2 rebounds. Rodney Brondial 2 rebounds. Andreas Cahilig 1 rebound, 1 block. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 22, 2024. Northport Batang Pair 6 wins, 1 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 6 wins, 2 losses. Converse Fiber Xers 5 wins, 2 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 4 wins, 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 3 wins, 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 3 wins, 2 losses. San Miguel Bearmen 3 wins, 3 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 3 wins, 4 losses. TNT Trupang Giga 2 wins, 2 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 2 wins, 4 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 5 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 1 win 5 losses. Terra Firma Jeep 0 win 7 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 25, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magtutuos ang Meralco Bolts at Converse Fiber Xers alas 5 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Barangay Ginebra at Magnolia Hotshots alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.